I'm Tim Milligan from the Edge Real Estate Coffs Harbour. Only 600 metres to the beach and 200 metres to Park Beach Plaza. Beachside living doesn't get any better than this.
Check. I look towards a poor thing, the applause. I'm a god and a fraud. Oh my goodness, I'm a flawed human being trying to flee from the grips of the claw, taking sips of destruction through the walls of the straw. Oh no, ain't nobody care about your gifts, bruh. You be rapping all you want, do your hip hop, seeing dollar signs fall every TikTok, aimed at the altar, both wrists going crisscross. It's a baffling phenomenon, sitting in the awning of the light of Father God, never bothering to see him, eyes are on my box. Shake my fists at the heavens with my hearty talk. So it's back to the basics. Settle down, bring a mason jar to the riverside, let's sit a while, enjoy all this time together, it's been a while. When the kudos piles up high, you know what to do.